Hello everyone, welcome to the class. My name is Hina Gupta and I'm a certified yoga and Pilates instructor. Today we are going to do all about core and you will be needing two hand towels. So I have folded it two folds like this. So this is the prop we're going to use. First I'm going to show you the non-prop version and then we are going to do the prop version. Okay, so let's get started. So let's go onto your hands and knees and we are going to hold a box position. So hands right below the shoulders, knees right below the hip distance apart legs, and then slowly lift the knees off the ground and we are going to hold here for 15 seconds. And we relax. Let's move into a plank and from there straight into mountain climbers. So you can go slow or you can go faster. So we are doing this 10 times each side. Perfect. Take a little breather here and we're gonna move on to the third variation, which is right knee going to the left elbow and vice versa. So you can go slow or you can speed it up 10 times each side. And we relax. Good. Moving on to the last version, we again go into a plank and let's start walking forward with your feet. Keep your knees straight. So go to a level only till where you can keep your knees straight. We are doing this 10 times. And we relax. Good. Take a little breather here. And we are going to move on to the prop version now. Okay, so I want you to fold your mat like this and then have your props with you. So keep your feet on top of the towel and your hands will go on the mat. Let's slowly lift the knees 2 inches off the ground and I'm going to start with only one leg extension. I'm doing this 10 times. And let's change side. And relax. Good. Let's move on to the second version, mountain climbers. Let's go 10 times each side. And we relax. Good. Take a little breather. And we are going to move on to the third variation. So let's go. Let me show you the next version. It's a little different. You're going to take the right leg to the left and then left to the right. Okay, so both legs are straight and they come back to bent knee. So try to understand that right is going to the left and left is going to the right. So let's try this 10 times each side. and we relax. Good. Take a little breather and we are going to move on to the last version. Let's move back into your plank. And then slowly lift the hip up and bring the legs forward. So use your core and do this 10 times. And relax. Take a little breather and let's lie down on the mat on our back. Now in this exercise we are going to keep the heels together and toes apart, okay, like a V. So just to show you from the other side, this is what we are going to do. So it's your double leg stretch but the toes are not touching. So let's get started. We are doing this 10 times. So for the next one, let's engage the core and move back to that heels together, big toes apart, and then lift up your head and chest. Now slowly take the arms over the head and now the legs will do the same action, just a little bit loading. We are doing this 10 times. So we will move the arms forward and hold there for 10 seconds. Stay there. And relax. Good job. Now let's go back to your external rotation or heels together, big toes apart. Lift up your head and chest, extend the legs and only the arms will make circles 10 times. And we relax. Slowly let's come and sit on the mat. Try to sit on your sits bone and keep your full feet on the ground. Now slowly roll back, take your right hand all the way to the right side, come back up, and other side and come back up. So make sure your toes are not lifting up as you go down. We are doing this 10 times each side. And we relax. Slowly place your head in between the knees and relax your spine. I'm going to move a little bit forward so that I have space behind me, and I'm going to curl in my body, lift up both the legs, keeping the toes in my gaze, and I'm going to roll back and come back up. Okay, so make sure you're not doing this. Okay, not using the thighs to come up. Good. Let's just start. Keep the elbows bent, core engaged 10 times. Once we are done, relax. And then we're gonna lie down on the mat and engage the core. Lift the right leg, left leg, both legs extended preferably, and reach from your hands. Let's do this 20 times. Let's just hold on the last one, just 5 counts. And we relax. Very good. Let's sit in a cross-legged position. And from here you can interlock your fingers behind you and take your head down towards the ground. Just keep breathing there, don't force anything, and relax. And slowly come up. Excellent job guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you next class. Bye.